channel Shakti Institute of Financial Markets. As you can see, Nifty has been closed in green from last 2 days, and as per my previous video I had talked about Nifty levels, right? So today we are going to talk about technical analysis of few stocks selected from different sectors. Before that, I just want to tell you, please watch my video till the end so that you will come to know a lot of things about technical analysis, which are the companies we are talking about, and what are the levels up to where these companies can go up, right? So coming to the technical analysis part, today we have chosen 3 companies from 3 different sectors. So first company is from housing finance sector, second company is from non-banking finance company sector, and third company is from a paint sector, right? So we'll see what are the levels for these 3 stocks and why you need to buy them, what are the indicators, what indicators are showing, and what are the candlestick patterns on the charts, right? Let's begin. So first stock, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, it is HDFC. On charts, HDFC looks stable. It had made a bottom of around 1474 few weeks back, and now it is consolidating at this level. It is trading in a range between 1570 to 1724, and as per the current trend, we expect HDFC to move up. Indicator like relative strength index is also indicating some upwardness in this stock, as the indicator is coming out of the oversold zone. So RSI, as you know, it's an indicator which oscillates between 0 to 100. So from 0 to 30 we call it as an oversold zone, and from 70 to 100 we call it as an overbought zone. So already it has been consolidating in this level since many days, and now fresh long positions can be initiated in HDFC. First level, that resistance level for HDFC is 1780. If it surpasses this level, it will go up to 1838, and the third level will be 1916. So these are the 3 levels, resistance levels, which we are marking on this chart, and we expect these targets to be achieved by HDFC in the coming 2 to 3 months time. We can go long on HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. Then the second stock we have chosen is Berger Paints. As you can see, the rate of crude oil is the raw material for paint companies, right? So whenever prices of crude oil comes down, the raw material cost or the cost of production for paint companies comes down. When cost of production comes down, automatically there will be much more profits on the margins of these companies. So as you can see, currently the crude oil is coming down. It has come down to its lowest levels now, and because of this impact, because of crude oil coming down, there will be a very big impact on the quarterly results of these paint companies. So we expect there will be good amount of profit in paint companies like Asian Paints, Berger Paints, Nerolac. So Berger Paints is expected to go up to 572, and second resistance level will be 604. Here also the RSI has been indicating some upward movement in the stock. So right now it is 58, and we expect some momentum to be coming in this stock in the next 1 or 2 months, right? So for Berger Paints, the levels will be 572 and 604 in the next 1 to 2 months time. Then the third one is Bajaj Finance Limited from NBFC sector. As you know, this stock is in news from last so many days. It has been falling down since February from 4,900 level to almost made a low up to 1900 level. It was a great fall, very big fall coming in Bajaj Finance, one of the strongest NBFC companies we believe. Fundamentally the stock is very strong. There is nothing wrong going on in the balance sheets or the financials of the company. And technically from last 2 days it has been closing in red, and it is showing some upward momentum in the stock. So as you can see, RSI is also pointing towards 40 now. So it is also coming out of this oversold zone and trying to move up. So we expect Bajaj Finance in the next 1 to 2 months time to go up to 2414, which will be the first resistance level, and the second resistance will be 2581. So these are the 3 stocks which we have selected for our analysis today. And most importantly, Nifty. As per my previous video, Nifty, you can see the Nifty view video, recent one, where I had told that if Nifty closes above 9,380 to 9,400 levels, then it will go up to 9596 level and so on. So now the Nifty has been on a strong mode technically. So we initiate these buy recommendations for these 3 stocks. So one is HDFC, Housing Development Finance Limited, which is showing some positive movement, and we expect it to go up to 1780, level 1. Level 2 will be 1838, and third level will be 1916. Second stock is Berger Paint. So the targets for Berger are 572 and 604. The targets for Bajaj Finance is 2414 and 2581. Thank you for watching my video till the end. Please share and subscribe my channel. For learn about technical analysis, how to use candlestick pattern, how indicators are used, join our online course on stock market trading and investment. You can visit our website www.sifmtrainings.com or call and WhatsApp on our below mentioned numbers. I will be back with some more informative videos. Thank you.